No.
Right, action. Then we're under the car, and Paul was complaining that there was a knocking coming from the car, and we can see here. Do you want to turn the wheel, Paul?
Yeah.
So the bolts are loose on the flange. But not only that, where were you in the States?
Yeah.
They changed the prop shaft for some bizarre reason. It's not the. They said it was a custom shaft, but it's a very unusual one. The TDCI one should taper, but there's no grease points up here. There's nothing, is there? There's not one at the back either.
Nothing here, no.
No. So what we're going to see, but the other thing we've found out, whilst we're under here, it's got an oil leak. That's a surprise, isn't it?
Yes. For a Land Rover.
For a Land Rover, it's got an oil leak. However, if you can see under here, it isn't leaking from where it should leak. They usually leak from the front, up there, you know, the shaft. But this is leaking from the speed sensor or at the nut up here. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull that prop shaft off, pull the handbrake off, and see if we can fix that oil leak. I think we can. As I was mentioned to Paul, when you see, this is a good example of oil because you can see it creeping up the sides, but that's like capillary action. It's pulling oil up through the dirt and the dust, but the actual oil is leaking further up. And again, we can smoke test it.
Okay.
We can put the smoke tester on this and find out where it's leaking from. The front prop shaft's been off before because it's on backwards, or at least we think it's on backwards because I don't know. Do you know, looking at it now, is it like that because the shaft would hit on the anti-roll bar? I'd have to have a look at under some cars and have a look. Yeah. But we can't get to grease it because the grease points are very difficult to get to. They've put them in different angles, haven't they? Somebody's
it's really bad design.
Yeah, no, it's Land Rover, isn't it?
Yes. That's the answer to most things.
That's right, it's Land Rover. So we're going to try and get a couple of quid out of this. Yeah. But what we're going to do is just quickly pull the props off, have a look at them, grease them up, maybe put this backwards if it's the wrong way around. We're going to put new bolts in the back because probably they're damaged. But underneath it's pretty good, isn't it, Paul?
It looks, yeah.
It's pretty good.
I'm pretty encouraged.
Yeah, no, it's pretty good. It's oh, let's have a look at that light at the back.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because this is really necessary, isn't it? Go around here. We need this, don't we? We need this. So, would you like to do the light? Would you like to rattle it? That's annoying.
I think it's just hanging on.
It's just like me. It's an aluminium light that shines on the.
Yeah,
there's a nut and bolt in it.
Not up there. Yeah.
Yeah. Hopefully we can tighten that up. But I don't. What the hell is the point of that?
Well, it's just so we can.
What? Look at the fuel tank.
Yes. We like to check the fuel tank from time to time.
I do as well. That's one of my things.
Especially at night time.
I always do that. I make a point of it before I go to bed to check the fuel tank.
Yeah. What is start?
Yeah. Otherwise, not too bad. It's pretty good. So Paul's going to give it a service while it's on the lift with some very, 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 very expensive oil that's made out of unicorn pee. It must have been for the price of it. And yeah. Otherwise, it's not looking too bad. Brakes looking good. Everything looks fine. I'm quite surprised the lift lifted it up because it's what, 3,500 kilos?
It is, yeah.
It's heavy.
Yeah.
But we had a bit of a problem with this awning, didn't we?
Don't mention that on the video because Chrissy might see it.
No, she won't see it. I'll edit that. I'll put a little screen over it, so you can't see it. But my garage is at an angle and we don't expect awnings on the side anyway. So listen, you're going to get on with that.
Yeah.
You're going to take the props off. We're waiting for a pizza to be delivered.
Yes. Yeah.
It might be cheaper to make one, quicker to make one ourselves, but that's not too bad. It's a quite a easy little job. But let's find out for the viewer what the oil leak is.
Yes, that would be great.
Yeah. All right.
That'd be wonderful.
Back in a bit. So eventually we got the handbrake drum off, which was extremely tight. Well, the bolts off here were tight, but we can see now where the source of our leak seems to be from the switch. And it seems to be the switch itself. Yeah, because it's not coming up from anywhere further, but the capillary's drawn it up. But it's all wet round here, so we can assume that's where it is. Well, it wasn't the switch that was leaking. Oil was coming out of here, and this little seal that's supposed to be inside here, it just fell out. So fortunately, we're going to put a new O-ring on there, which is it's flat as a fart. It doesn't do anything. And that seal, I've never seen one of them fall out. God, shonky Land Rover, eh? Fortunately, this piece came out. Do you know, of all the TDIs and Land Rovers I've done, I've never seen one leak out of there, ironically. That's fun, isn't it? Right, let's go and do that. Right then, what's it like now with new bolts in?
Pretty good.
It's better, isn't it?
Yeah.
You're always going to get a little bit of knock in them, but that's acceptable.
Yeah.
That's acceptable.
Well, at least it's all moving now.
Yeah, well that's it. It's
not just one part.
No, that's right. That's a good job, isn't that? That's nice and fixed. So the next thing you're going to do, your tyre rotation, eh?
Well, no.
Oh, you're going to put front prop on. Yeah, you've got that one up.
Yeah.
You might not need that.
I need two-wheel drive.
You just do it in two-wheel drive. You save a fortune in fuel. Yeah. Right, get on with it. You know how to do it now.
Right. Well,
you know which end to start with.
Well, first of all, which way round did you decide?
Well, I don't know. I wonder why they put it on at the slider at the front.
I wonder how I could find out.
Let's Google it. So, Paul, we've had a great success, on this truck.
Yes.
Roaring success, but this engine lets it down. It's filthy. Nice truck, filthy engine. What should we do?
Well, you've said you've got a steam cleaner.
I have.
So I'm all for giving it a steam
And I've got a magic liquid. Wait a minute, don't laugh. We're going to put some Autoglim vinyl and rubber care, and this will shine like a toilet door at night. Promise you.
Shine like a toilet door.
It's shine like a toilet door. It's good stuff. The best stuff for vinyl and plastic and tyres. Brilliant.
Is that for your special Friday night vinyl outfit?
That's right. When I go out of the town in Lennoxville, I
Yeah.
cover myself with it. Less of this tittle tattle. We had a good day. We got things done.
We have. Yeah. Thank
We
you
had a
very
few
much.
surprises putting the spare wheel on.
Yeah, I don't know what that's all about.
I had to put some spaces on the spare wheel. The studs had grown. Yeah. So we've had changed oil, changed filter, changed air filter, fuel filter.
Yeah. Changed
Greased
oil.
the props.
Yes, greased the back door, the wheel carrier.
Done that oil leak.
Yeah. Yeah, on the transfer box.
Tightened up the prop shaft bolts. Well,
Yes.
we put new prop shaft bolts in.
Tightened up the wobbly light.
Oh, the wobbly light. That was unnecessary light. I can't understand what it's there for. Was it a Land Rover one or was it aftermarket one?
Well, no, it must have been fitted by the guy that did our other lights, because there's a switch for it inside where he's put all the other switches, so just to make it look pretty.
I'm not going to put one on mine.
No. It's just it's just a shine on the tarantulas and snakes when you're camping in the desert.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah. So they can see where they're
So
going.
they can see where you can bite you.
Yeah.
Right, let's do this banter. Let's get it outside. So we're going to have a look at what the results of the Autoglim. Wow, look at that. That's better, isn't it?
Like new, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it's so quick.
Yeah, I could have spent a bit more time on these hoses down here, but otherwise it's not too bad, is it?
No, I just need to tow that behind me now.
Yeah.